Right, so I'm starting him up now as a clean and mapping run because he stopped prematurely. So let's just see if he maps this as a new room. What he had done previously, he had created just a small rectangle and then just stopped, and it hadn't updated on any map, which is quite odd. Let's have a look at this. You see, dust layers still there. At the moment, just let's give them a chance. So this is a cleaning and mapping run. What the heck is it doing? That's really weird. Now we have a red message. I have no idea what that means. I've killed it with my own dirt.